Hello everyone, thanks for checking out the video. Just going to do an unboxing of the top race dump truck. This is the TR-212 1/14 scale 10 channel heavy duty radio controlled dump truck. So we're going to open it up for the first time and check it out. So let's see what we get. Apparently we get instructions. Looks like it's in English. And there's the front. So let's see. Let's take to get this out. Here we are. That's what a incremental hydride battery, USB charger, and a controller on top. It's plastic, but it's kind of heavy duty. This is aluminum. There we go. These are semi-soft wheels, kind of rigid. Fortunately, the cab is not clear. I would have liked to have stuck a finger inside of that, but not a big deal. And let's check out the bottom here. So batteries are going to go in here. Looks like some steering adjustments there. Trim for the steering, perhaps. It does have lights. We just saw them a moment ago on the rear. There should be some on the front. Yeah, LED light there and there. Get it powered on to see if there's any others. It does also come with a sound module, so we'll see how loud that is. Once I get the batteries charged up, make sure everything is good to go. And again, the controller. That's a bit weird. Yeah, I can feel it catch catching whenever you hear that popping sound. Bucket up, bucket down, sound on or off, lights on or off. And this is supposed to be a way of adjusting drift if the steering is drifting a bit. But it looks like you've got drum controls here, like you normally would have. 10-channel radio. It takes 4, I believe it's 4. Let's see. Yeah, 4 AA batteries. There's a screw that holds it on and a catch to open the door. And then we have the 400 milliamp, 7.2 volt. And the typical, that seems to be typical now, USB charger, 5 volt 2 amp input, outputs 7.2 volt 250 milliamp. So we'll check this out and kind of see how long it actually takes to charge this up the first time. I'll let you guys know that. Get this charged up and we'll get it powered on. See you in a bit. Alright, I have the battery charged up. Battery's inside the RC. So now I'm just going to power it on and we'll check out the lights. Previously I noticed that there were LEDs in the front, but I didn't notice that there are also LEDs in here that come on. So let's turn this back around. I'm going to get the controller powered on. And now the sound module is working. Apparently, the lights only come on if it's in motion. Let's turn the sound off. So it looks like there's only... Let me get the brooder guys out of the way. Excuse me. There appears to only be one speed. When you're going forward, it's all full throttle. There's no gradual change to the speed of the motor. Same way with reverse. Steering seems to be the same way. So let's turn this around and show you. So I should be able to turn the steering just a little, but let's see if I can get it here where you can see the throttle or the steering. And let me turn it a little more so you can see the tire. So as soon as you hear that sound where it's actually where the stick's all the way over, it makes kind of like a dull clicking sound. Once it makes that sound, it's full on, whether it's left or right, forward or reverse. And let's try the bucket. By the way, this feels, this gray strip feels like it's aluminum. This is definitely plastic. This is plastic, 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 plastic. Of course the rod is metal, but this is plastic. And the gate on the back is plastic. So just want to point that out. When previously it may not have been clear when I was referring to something that was metal, I was referring to this gray piece here. This does feel aluminum, but it's strong plastic, much stronger than a standard toy grade thing. But let's try the bucket now. Raise it up. Raise it up. Down. So let's turn it around so you can see that. So there is some gradual change to, or at least stopping points you can get within the movement of the bucket. So pretty much it. On the tires, they flex a little bit, not a whole lot. Would have been nice to have a little bit more aggressive tread on the tire, but you know, that's people's use of this out in the dirt, instead of like some kind of scale setting of like a cityscape type scaled setting. So these work great for that, but not. We'll have to see how well it works out in actual dirt. So let's check real quick and see how many wheels get driven by the motor. So it's 4-wheel drive, not 6-wheel drive. Turns this on here. No, let me see if I can get something to put under this. So when you move the steering, it's going to go all the way to the left or to the right, depending on which way you're moving the stick. But it's going to be all or nothing. There's no gradual positions when you turn it. So if you turn the stick part of the way, it's not going to move part of the way. It's only going to move when you turn the stick all the way, and it's going to keep going until it hits the stopping point. So there we go. That's the Top Race TR-212 dump truck. Not too bad so far. The true test is actually putting something in the bin back here, and let's see if it'll, the motor's strong enough to move it up and down. I believe the manufacturer says it'll hold 7 pounds in here, and the ability to still lift up and dump the content. But yeah, this turned off, and I'll show you the scale compared to standard brooder. Sorry, I pronounced that wrong. Brooder figure. The scale's not too bad. Does look like might be a valid 1/14 scale. This is only 1/14 scale I have though, so it's kind of hard to get a full comparison. I don't have anything to set next to it that's true 1/14 that I know is true 1/14 to be able to check this out, but and compare it to this. But it looks like it is. Yeah, top race so far. Just and seeing what they built. The plastic, it's kind of sturdy plastic for the most part. It's possible to break it, but it's solid enough for what I'll be using it for. The bend in the back, I guess time will tell whether or not it gets scratches in it, given that it's plastic. But we'll need to actually get a full load of something in here, weighing up to, but not more than 7 pounds, and see how it works. So we'll do a field test. So the reason I got this was because I want to get into actual scaling and model scaling, true scale models, and I have the X Max, the TR-4 and Slash and so on, and those are fun for bashing around and things like that, and I'll still do that. But I do want to kind of get into the scale model, similar to this, and the heavy construction stuff. They're very, very expensive for the real hobby grade ones. They're made of metal, mostly metal. Some of them have real hydraulic systems in them, so it does get kind of expensive on those. I mean, some of those are thousands of dollars, and I'll probably have to save up for a long time before I can get one. But until then, I can use this to kind of practice shooting video of things. And I'll have this in a separate playlist for any videos I have on this. I need at least 2 videos really to start building the playlist. So once I get 2 of the videos of this, I'll create a separate playlist for it. And we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I'll release videos for this on a separate day. I normally try to release videos on Thursdays. Sometimes I get behind, but for the most part I try to release the X Max / TR-4 type videos on Thursdays. I may switch over to or create some videos for this and release them on something like a Tuesday or a Monday or something like that. If you have a day that's a preference to you, if you would, please leave a comment below to let me know what that is. Because without someone telling me, or many people telling me what their preference is on a day for a release of a video, I'm guessing. And sometimes I try to switch times and days to see what may work best for the channel. But it would kind of cut all that out if you all would kind of help me out by just leaving a comment below to let me know what day of the week you prefer videos to come out. Until then, I'll try to get some video of this out, moving some dirt around, and we'll see how that is, how it handles that, how it holds up and everything. And I'll begin practicing shooting video for scale like this. Again, thanks for checking out the video. Consider subscribing, and if you like the video, give it a like. Until next time, thanks for watching.